Today we are in Alhambra, California. Just east of here are 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 Thunderbolt Sirens. So we're gonna get some lunch, get some snacks, and we're gonna drive and check them out for you today on Elijah Goes Outside. We're at 99 Ranch Market in Alhambra, California. Just east of here are 3 Thunderbolt Sirens. So we're gonna pick up some snacks and then we're gonna head on over. What's that?
It's a chick full of jelly.
It's a chip full of jelly. Yeah.
Chicky, chicky, chicky.
Look at all the different types of ramen. I didn't know there was so much ramen.
Really?
There's so much ramen. We're gonna start driving east. The first Thunderbolt Siren is in Monrovia, so we're gonna check that out. Are you ready?
Yes.
Ready. By the way, mommy's driving, not because daddy doesn't want to, but mommy gets sick. Are you guys ready to see a Thunderbolt Siren? Say yes. Yes.
Yes.
There's McDonald's. McDonald's. There's McDonald's. What's your favorite type of siren?
Thunderbolt.
A Thunderbolt siren?
Yep.
It's a huge tire. We're getting closer and closer. I can feel it. Did we find it?
Yep.
All right, we found it. It's up here. Give me your hand. We're walking over there. It's a beautiful Thunderbolt Siren. We're gonna show you in just a bit. Are you guys ready to see this Thunderbolt Siren? Here we go. There it is in the distance. By the way, Mommy, can you model your Thunderbolt Siren shirt? Look at that. There's a link in the description. If you want a Thunderbolt Siren shirt, they are awesome. City of Monrovia, Fire Station 101. Yeah, buddy. Lots of action. Oh, there it is. Look at that. Thunderbolt, there's the front part of it. Get footage of the truck. Get footage of the truck. Man. So Thunderbolt Siren is on top of this fire station. You can see it. What do you think?
It's cool.
It's cool? You like that Thunderbolt?
It's facing right at it.
It's facing right at us.
Oh, he's gonna get the lights on.
Uh-oh.
They're on top. Wait.
Something's going down. There it is. You can see it back behind me. A beautiful Thunderbolt Siren. All right, let's go find the 2 others.
I think this one will have these 2 parts next time.
You think so?
Yeah.
we're lost. We're not gonna find the 2 Thunderbolt Sirens.
Oh!
They see me rolling.
It's Andrew, it's right there!
Oh my gosh. Wow, there it is, look at.
Okay, so apparently I need to turn.
There it is, all right, so we need to park. You're styling in your Thunderbolt shirt, aren't you?
Yeah.
If you wanna look fly, then get a Thunderbolt shirt. If you don't wanna look fly, then do not get a Thunderbolt shirt, right?
Yeah,
Right?
but who was the first? Who was the first one that found it? Me.
You're the first one. We're in West Covina, California, and we just found a beautiful Thunderbolt Siren. Here it is. We're on Citrus Street in West Covina, and something called McIntyre Square. So there's a few restaurants there, and just down the way from that, oh, and also it looks like Jollibee corporate headquarters.
It's over there. It's over there.
It's over there, look at it. You can see it in the distance, Jollibee corporate headquarters, and then bam, Thunderbolt Siren. You want to get a closer look?
I don't think we
All right,
could.
we're gonna cross the street. It's a big street, so we're gonna cross the crosswalk, and we're gonna get a closer look. All right.
Do you remember we were on the other side? Now we're on this side.
Yep, we were on the other side. Now we're on this side to get a closer look. Check it out. We are right underneath the Thunderbolt Siren of the year. Man, this thing is beautiful. Elijah, what do you think? Is that your favorite one so far?
Well, yeah, but when are we gonna go to the next one?
Oh. There it is. There it is. Thunderbolt Siren. Look at that beauty. We're on Citrus Avenue in West Covina, and that is a beautiful Thunderbolt Siren. Okay. Our next Thunderbolt Siren is also in West Covina, so we're gonna go check it out. Stay with us. Do you have some Grey Poupon?
They're cheese egg rolls.
Oh, cheesy egg rolls, yum. Can you take us to the next Siren? Yes.
Mung bean pastry cake.
It's actually pretty good. Mung bean pastry cake, yum. I just spit out the pastry. You don't like that bean pastry. All right, so we're still in West Covina. Right behind Fire Station 1 is a Thunderbolt Siren. Check it out. We're in a parking lot for some sort of office building. And every day these lucky people get to come here and see a real life Thunderbolt Siren. Get that stick out. Get that stick out. That's it for today. We got 3 wonderful Sirens. Hope you enjoyed it. See you on the next one.